Hello there, this is Steven from White Husky Films. A very quick tutorial to all my friends that they have the YouTube channel and the Instagram. They do a lot of Instagram posts. This is for you, all my sportcasters and my good friends out there. Let's get started. So Adobe After Effects is what I use. You can use Photoshop, but this is the quickest way because I use this so much with video too. You can also do stills, which is photos. So we're gonna drag this in here. Just drag it, put it right here. I'm gonna drag it down here, create a composition. There it is, Mr. Hall of Fame 2022 Big Pappy, the great Boston Red Sox slugger. And then we're just gonna active our title save here. And what this does for us is that we wanna stay within the second box here. All right, let's jump right on it. And let's do the title here. So we're just gonna type 2022 Hall of Fame right here, and then we just try to make a post here, something quick. We want to put it in the middle. Make sure you get caps off right here when you move your font. You make it a little bigger, why not? Then just move it, drag it, you know. As you can see, you can't read this for nothing. In the end, this is the reason why I'm doing this, to help you out with that. So easy, no problem. You go ahead and go to layer, go to new, solid. Make sure it's black solid. Hit OK. Make sure it's a comp size, which it is. Boom. Now you want to grab your pen tool. You could click G, or you could just click on the pen tool, and then you want to make sure you're selecting the layer. You can name it whatever you want. We just go ahead and do this real quick. I mean, this is very fast, something fast that you can get done in 3 minutes. Now you want to go ahead and put this in between right here. You can label it whatever name, double click on the layer, right click and do rename, and just label it solid or something, just for now. And then make sure you are in the composition. As you can see, we're gonna have to fix this. Easy. We go ahead and open the layer right here. Go to mask. Go to feather. Mask feather, and go about for this one 126%. You want to get the opacity down a little bit, maybe around there. You go up a little bit here, and then unselect the mask. Look at that, you can read it. Now you want to make sure you know affecting the subject face, and look at that. Now you can go ahead with your post. You could do red on red. I call this red on red. If you want to change the color, you go with your eyedropper here, and you could change to that color. Maybe you don't want to do that. Maybe you just want to go ahead and undo that because you want to be able to read this. This is fine right here. This is the color code if you need it. It's D90,000, something like that. All right, this being all, just wanted to show you this real quick.